guys, hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm gonna show you how to do the glitch.
What glitch?
The Jamaa Township glitch. It's a little bit slow. So just playing. You might have to click on where right here. But the game invites has to be turned on. Another way is click on the top. Ah!
Okay, now.
So close. That is so bad.
I have to go. Okay, I have to go. My
Okay, bye. Okay. Now, another way to do the glitch is you press in there. Whoa. And now. Whoa, that is so quick. That is so quick. Okay, have a quick. I think. Wow, there's a lot of new Jamers on Jamaa Township. Oh my gosh. Woo. Whoa, look! It cut it!
Or do this, okay? So don't let.
Wow, look. Look at my article. A little bit got cutted. Then where do you click up there, then you do like this. You flash the game invites, then okay, this is really pretty hard for me to do for the SOL arcade glitch. Okay. Wow, that is so quick. 1 mail received. I'm gonna try to hold until I have 200 mails. I need to do new Jamers, you know why? It's easier to flash them. Whoa, I'm hitting the tree. I'm about to hit the tree. Okay. What is oops! That's inappropriate word. You're not allowed to say that word. Oh, that's Whoop! It's not moving. Use viciously. No. Usually when the room is full, you can go to Club Geos or either the pill room. And Crystal Sand's full. Oh, look.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
I will.
Wow. Look how many Jamers are in Aldam. Everywhere except for the oceans. Oh! Oops! I did a glitch. Oops. gonna do other glitches soon. I'll show you one more time for the Jamaa Township glitch. Oh, no! I almost got an SOL arcade. I don't have, officially I don't have beta stuff. The glitch used to let you walk, but until 2013 it won't let you walk. Won't let you walk. At least I need a new Jamaa, and it worked. It's gonna flash. Bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't do that glitch.